Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 12. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government is examining options to address learning and teaching losses due to COVID-19. In addition to dispersing learning devices, Mr. Holness says government will be providing remedial classes.
The Ministry of Education is working on that. So the government of Jamaica is seized of the possible negative impact that we will see manifest in a few months from now in terms of the education output, both in terms of quality and the number of persons meeting standards for matriculation.
The Prime Minister was speaking at a recent distribution of 600 devices, including tablets and laptops, to PEP and CSEC students registered at schools within West Central St. Andrew. The devices were provided to students attending Balcombe Drive Primary and Junior High, Penwood High, Seawood Primary and Junior High, and DuPont Primary and Infant School. In the meantime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the state is carefully implementing all precautionary measures before returning to full face-to-face classes. 129 basic, primary and secondary level schools are participating in a pilot resumption of in-person teaching and learning.
Even after the pandemic, devices such as these will be critical for your learning. So it's not just for the pandemic. We're using this as an opportunity to ensure that every Jamaican child can participate in the digital age with a device. I consider this now the book and pencil of learning. Every Jamaican child must have a device, whether it is a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone. This is the way of the future.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is calling on stakeholders in Negril, Westmoreland to exercise greater levels of compliance in keeping with the enhanced COVID-19 measures for the parish. The special measures include tighter curfew hours from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily, which is in effect until January 15. This and other protocols are aimed at curtailing the spread of the virus across the parish, which has among the highest number of cases per population. Minister Bartlett says the onus is on tourism interests to be part of the management system to ensure compliance at the highest level.
If the spike continues and the numbers proliferate, then the very goose that laid the golden egg would be destroyed, because we wouldn't be able to market properly Negril to the world if we are saying that the incidents are high in our space. So it is our responsibility. It suddenly becomes our responsibility, and tourism is going to have to play a stronger role in this community management structure that we are talking about.
Minister Bartlett was speaking at the launch of the COVID-19 Ambassador Program at the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, Negril chapter recently. He pledged the ministry's support for the initiative.
I look forward to providing whatever further support that we can from our end as a ministry to help you to make sure that we push back this insurgency and we bring the management of COVID in this area to a level that is acceptable on the basis of the science and the numbers.
Government is looking to forge stakeholder partnerships aimed at maximizing the potential of Jamaica's bamboo industry. State Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Dr. Norman Dunn, says discussions are underway with several overseas investors with a view to securing their support to expanding the sector. Additionally, he says the government is looking to partner with a United States-based university to explore the possibility of manufacturing more products from the plant.
Jamaica continues to be in good hands, and we believe that the know-how exists right here for us to emerge, especially from COVID, stronger. We believe that the time is right for persons to invest in Jamaica. We are here to support the investment and the landscape to ensure that you can succeed in what you do.
Minister Dunn was speaking with JIS News during a tour of Supercharged & Sons Furnishing Company at the White Marl Complex in St. Catherine recently. The entity uses local bamboo to manufacture furniture and is advanced in establishing a research and training center to facilitate the technology's transfer. Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, is introducing a new online platform for customers to make direct payment to the agency without going to a physical location. TAJ rolled out the pilot phase of its direct funds transfer project on January 11 for the payment of taxes and fees. Under this new arrangement, all funds transferred to TAJ's bank must include a direct funds transfer number generated from the TAJ website. This will allow customers to generate and print an official receipt instead of having to retrieve it at a later date from a tax office. TAJ says the Direct Funds Transfer DFT platform will remove the need for a manual direct banking form, and so customers will need to switch to another electronic payment option or begin using the DFT. For further information, customers may contact TAJ's Customer Care Center at 888-TAX-HELP, that's 888-829-4357, or access the how-to guides on the TAJ's website at www.jamaicatax.gov.jm. And finally, a major multi-agency investigation is now underway following the seizure of 19 firearms, including 6 high-powered rifles at the wharf in St. James. Monday's seizure also includes 470 assorted rounds of ammunition. The guns and ammunition were found in a barrel. The seizure brings to 39 the number of illegal firearms and 660 rounds of ammunition recovered since the start of the year. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.